Believes Michigan is taking the right steps to get back on the right track. The volatile financial situation is having some sort of impact on all of us. One retired GM worker says he has now changed his retirement plans. Action News reporter Tom Waite has his story.
You just don't panic. And it has always been the history of the country that it bounces back.
It's sage perspective we've all probably heard too many times in the past few weeks. Day after day, the Dow tumbling with each closing bell, more bad news. GM retiree Tom Simpson says his shrinking portfolio has changed his retirement.
We want to do some things to the house, some remodeling and this type of thing. And so as a result, we're now taking a second look at it.
Simpson says he's seen a 30 to 40% loss in his investment portfolio. Not easy for a man 10 years into retirement.
I have seen the quarterly reports in dollars. Now, hopefully, I don't see them in cents. I'm still seeing some dollars.
Simpson's financial advisor says most people will get through this.
If you have a good plan where you know what cash you're going to need in the next 5 years, you're good. If you need something in the next 5 to 10 years, you shouldn't have the money in the stock market.
Simpson put almost 35 years of his life into working in finance at GM, and he is not giving up on the company that he loves.
This is something that was not seen by any of the auto companies, and so hopefully they can live through it.
That was Tom Waite reporting. The global financial crisis is the focus of meetings today in Washington between global finance ministers. Last night,